Hey, welcome to the channel. Today we are working on a Jeep TJ. So I just painted the fenders for it. I'm going to install some new fender flares front and back, and then we got a new Smitty built front bumper for it too. So we'll change that out too and install the flares. These are the old fenders. See their classic rust on all the TJs. So got a few things of hardware to switch over. The lights and the hinges or the latches, and just the inside rubber here. That's all I got to switch over. So, all right, we're gonna start by removing the front bumper. It's just a T55. I'm not going to use an impact because obviously I only have one of these. I don't want to snap it off. So we'll see if these actually come loose here. Obviously, once they're loose, we can just use the impact. Speed things up. There's one on the bottom. Just doesn't want to come out. So to install the fender flares, I gotta use these rivet nuts. So these ones are size up than the factory ones, so I'll just drill the hole a little bit bigger. And you could also use just 1/4-inch bolts, but it came with these factories. So yeah, you can get these rivet guns off of Amazon. The rivet gun and the rivet nut. I'll put the link in the description. Just makes install so much easier. So these ones are M6 size, and you just use a 23/64 drill bit. Screw it onto here. So we'll just add these all along. There's 11 on each side. These ones came out okay, but you might need more if you're gonna change them all out. These are also size up, so these are 10 mil. So I got one of these that just spun and it won't come out. This is the nut, it's just spinning in there and you can't get behind it. So what I'm gonna do is just grind it off the head and then hopefully push that through. Then I'll just add a new one just a size up. So we just added the 3 bolts in here. Now this side's done. So we'll just do the same thing on the other side. Drill these holes out. These ones are okay still, so we can reuse them. So now we can add the front bumper. So it's a little bit different than the one that was on there before. So I'll have to add some spacers to the... So just for sake, if you ever want to take it apart again, we'll wire wheel all this nice and clean and then add some more anti-seize to each one. Let's add a little bit of anti-seize to each one. So smash that subscribe button and like it up and see some more videos like this. Thanks for watching.